friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Lekshmi Amma's Kitchen. So today I am going to show you how to make lemon squash from whole lemon. So welcome to my kitchen. Let's start cooking. Our main ingredient is lemon. I have taken one lemon and cut it into small pieces. Then one small piece of ginger and 2 to 3 mint leaves. In a mixer grinder, add the lemon pieces, a small piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of sugar, or you can add honey, a pinch of salt, half glass of water, and grind everything to a very smooth paste. Our lemon pulp is ready. This is very concentrated. Now I will transfer it to a strainer and squeeze out the extra lemon content available in the pulp. Squeezing out the lemon pulp nicely. Now you can see that I have received a very concentrated liquid. You can keep it in fridge and store for 2 to 3 days and gradually mix water and use it whenever required. Now here I am adding almost 1 to 2 glasses of water to dilute the content. Check sugar at this stage, and after it is done you can transfer it to a nice glass and serve it. Also adding 2 to 3 mint leaves for an extra flavor. Decorate it with a small piece of lemon. Please try my recipe and don't forget to send me your feedback and suggestions. Thank you for watching my channel Lekshmi Amma's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye.